Welcome to KahindoTech Lab. My name is Jean-Pierre Kahindo. In this video, I'm going to unbox for you the Rockville Studio Artist, Studio Artist Series microphone. This is the RCM SR, as you can see right there. Before I begin, I'd like to throw a quick disclaimer. I am not a professional sound recorder, podcast, or anything like that. I'm just starting this journey, and this is just an unboxing video. It's not a review or anything like that. I'm just unboxing. I was excited about getting this new mic, and I wanted to show you guys, all right? So let's begin the unboxing experience. We'll just, as you can see, it comes in this box, all right? And they say in this box it includes, what does it include? The RCM SR condenser microphone, 100% copper, 10 feet, 3.5 jack, and then a 10-foot XLR to XLR cable connector that connects to any mixer with phantom power, metal shock mount, and a large windscreen pop filter, owner's manual, and a warranty. So let's open this up and find all these things and take a look at all these things in there. All right, let's open it up. Can you see? How's the view? Perfect. All right, so let's remove this film. This is just the owner's manual, I believe. And then let's first pull out the cords. All right, as you can see, these are the cords that they were talking about. If we open them up. Yep. These are the two cords. I believe this is the one that goes from the mic to the audio interface. And this is the mic itself. Hola. As you can see right there. You can pop this. Other side. Wrong side. There we go. So there's the mic. And he also has like the mic stand. Open up, open up. Let's move this to the side a little bit. Can you see? It's the mic stand. I think I'm gonna have to learn how this works. Again, I've never worked with like advanced mics. I'm just beginning this journey. As you can see, I am struggling with this. I gotta figure out how the heck does it work? Anyways, that's the mic stand, and that's the pop filter. This is the pop filter. Let's open it up. There we go. You shove this in there. This would be great for podcasting when you have a solo podcast. And usually it's either like you put this by itself, or I think the mic goes in here or something like that. Anyways, this is the mic. As you can see, it comes with all this stuff. Hopefully once I've played with it a little bit and learned more about it, I'll be able to give more information in a review video. But this was an opening unboxing video for you. As you can see, I really don't know nothing about this stuff. I'm just upgrading my production levels. Anyways, let me know if you have any comments in the comment section, and tell me what you would like for me to open next, all right? Thank you for watching, and definitely don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.